Hi everyone, my name is Kate and today we're going to crochet this trending rose choker. Now these flowers are everywhere, on bikini, on tops, on skirts, on bags, everywhere. And you can crochet just this flower and sew it wherever you want. You can wear this rose not only as a choker, but as a bracelet or maybe on your hair or on your waist, on your leg, wherever you want, and look fabulous. It crocheted very fast, about a half an hour, and you can use your leftovers yarn because it needs not a lot of yarn as you may think. Also, I want to remind you that you can send me a donation by the links in the description under the video. I will be very glad your support. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment, and let's get started. We will need absolutely any yarn, the thicker yarn, the bigger rose. I have this cotton yarn, honestly don't know the meterage, lost somewhere a label. So hook under the yarn I have 3.5 millimeters needle, scissors and a centimeter. So make the first loop like this. And start making a chain of air loops. The number depends on the desired length of choker ties. We will have two ties, one we are crocheting now and the other will crochet at the very end. So now I don't count the number of air loops, I got it more on centimeters. Here is my chain, the length about 125 centimeters, and now we'll again need to make a chain, but a certain number, 60 air loops. They will go specially to the rose. Yarn over and put the hook into the first loop. The loop that we have on the hook doesn't count. Grab the yarn and crochet first 2 loops, then 2 more. Then chain of 4, 4, yarn over, and in the same place make a double crochet again. Grab the yarn, crochet first 2 loops, then 2 more. Yarn over, then count 4 loops and put the hook into the first. Grab the yarn, crochet first 2 loops, then 2 more. Chain 4, 3, 4, yarn over and make the double crochet in the same place. First 2 loops, then 2 more. Yarn over, count 4 loops and insert the hook into the first. Grab the yarn, crochet first 2 loops, then 2 more. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over and in the same place double crochet. This is what we have, and continue to crochet in the same way until we have 15 such arches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need to crochet another 9. If you have thicker yarn, then you can crochet only 13 arches. This is my 15 arches. Yarn over and put the hook into the second loop after the last stitch and make a double crochet. First 2 loops, then 2 more. Chain 2 and turn your work. In this first arch make a single crochet, just put the hook into this arch and crochet 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and in this top arch make 5 double crochets. Then make 2 air loops, 1, 2, and again in the same arch make a 5 double crochets. Here these 2 air loops in the middle give there such a sharp edge. If you want a smoother edge, you can crochet without them, just 10 double crochets. Then put the hook into the small arch, grab the yarn and crochet 2 loops on the hook. It's a single crochet. Then yarn over and in the top arch make 5 double crochets. Chain 2, 1, 2, and in the same arch make another 5 double crochets. In the small arch just single crochet, then yarn over again and crochet 5 double crochets in the top arch, then 2 air loops and another 5 double crochets in the same arch, then in the small arch just a single crochet, and so on till the end. That's what I have, such a petals, and at the end make another single crochet at the very side stitch here. And start making a chain of air loops equal to the first chain. Cut the yarn, get the loop and tighten. And now we need to gently roll all our petals into the rows. Here is how. The back side looks like this, and now gently put the rows down, take the needle and put the thread into it. Stitch the rows through all the petals. Pull out the needle and new stitch near through the rows. Just don't pull it so much and stitch like this throughout the circle. Don't forget to stitch the last petal so it hadn't stick out. Here is how you can check that all the petals we have been stitched. Pull the needle closer to the other end, cut the yarn and make a few knots. And tie the ends. And with ties 2, make a few knots. Neatly spread out all the petals, and the only thing left for us is to hide the ends of the thread at the ties. I put the needle up through the braid and start forming a tangle, and then hide the end in it. And so such a beautiful trendy choker we have you, and the most importantly that the crochet is very quickly, probably in 20 minutes, maybe half an hour. It's very functional, it can be worn not only on the neck but somehow beautiful to tie on the arm, and you can wear it on the leg, on the waist, anywhere you want. To be true, it's very beautiful, stylish and elegant. I thank you for watching this video. I'm sure you did it well. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments. I see everything and I answer everything. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave your comment. Will you crochet to yourself such a rose choker or not? And bye kiddos!